Assalamu alaikum, student of class 4. How are you? Hope everyone is fine. Your teacher is over here and your subject is social studies. So as you know that your examination is starting and we are going to start your revision work and concentrate in your topic, and we will revise the things which are important, and please concentrate in the revision, and please don't think that this the whole thing will which I'm giving you will come. You have to concentrate in the whole unit, the whole topic, but some wishes which are important I'm going to give you, I'm going to revise for you. So please concentrate that what are the meanings by these all things and what are the main concept which I want to clarify for you. See, here is the word meanings which we are going to start, which are, I pick some important words which I am going to give you the meanings of that. The first one is a communication. Communication means transmission. We can communicate through talk, we can communicate through social media, electronic media, through paper media, through post office. Means that when we transfer, when we interact, that is called communication. Transmission, when we transmit, when we are telling, when we are receiving, so that is a communication actually. The second word is information. Information means knowledge. When you knowledge about facts, so when you want to know about something, and when you collect that facts, when you collect that information, that is called information, because you are collecting about that things you want to know about, so that is called information, knowledge about facts. Number 3 is entertainment. Entertainment is actually providing enjoyment. It's mean entertainment are doing something to enjoy. So when you enjoy, that is called entertainment, right? So when you are acting, when you're doing something, you are for enjoy, that is called entertainment. Transport means people moving from one place to another place by it. As you know that the transport, it can be a car, it can be a cycle or bicycle or airplane or bus or trains. So these are all transports which we use to move from one place to another place. So let me read for you these all words again and their meanings, and please try to understand. If still if you have any problem, you can come and ask me in the school. Number 1 is communication. Number 2, information, knowledge about action of enjoyment. Number 4, moving from one place to another place by it, right? So these are the words. Please read it well and write it well and try to understand. I'm sure that you understood about it. Now let us see the first question. Explain what is communication mean. So communication means way of keeping in touch with someone else. When we want to connect with someone, that is called communication. What are the main means of communication on our country? What are the means which communication on our country? Post offices. As you know that by post offices we send our letters, cards or gifts, which we are using post office for it. Radio, where we get audio information by audio. We get news, we get songs, we get information, many things by it, right? Newspaper, which is also one of the mean of communication. By newspaper you can get news about the country, about the world, about any sports, anything. You can get some stories even. So that is one of also mean of communication. Telephone, as you know that, which is the one of the fastest one. You can talk in seconds with the people. Now there is a audio and a video also. You can use it and you can connect with the people. railways also, because when we want to go and we want to move one of the transport, let us see the last one, the means of the communication. Shipping means by ship. When the people they move from one place to another place, when the things moves from one place to another place, that is also one of the means of communication. So you know that these are the things which you have to concentrate. See all these things, read it well, learn it well, and write it, and get ready for the examination. Still, if you have any problem, you can come and ask. Wish you good luck. Have a nice time. Fi Aman Allah.